Hi, my name is Mike Biscoff. Born in West Palm Beach, raised in Jupiter, been here my whole life. From a very early age, boating, fishing, diving is what my family's taught me. It's what we've always done. Currently employed with Sparks Yacht Sales out of North Palm Beach, Florida. Today we're aboard a 2020 28-foot Caymus Hb bay boat, hybrid boat. Very low hours, very well kept, very little use on it. Shows, runs like new. Everything operates as it should. Starting in the back of the boat here, it's got dual 10-foot power poles, a 400 Mercury L6, Atlas jack plate with a 6-inch setback, port and starboard live wells in the back here. Keep all your bait or your fish alive. Good aft seat here for all your customers and friends and family. A little storage underneath, cooler, flip-flops, shoes, bags, purses. Another slide out cooler here under the rocket launcher. Moving around, of course, we have our helm station, 2 Garmin screens, and our Mercury display on the dash. Everything's real clean and nice and accessible. All your accessory panel here with all your switches, live wells, running lights, all your compartment lights, underwater lights, and a full sound system, full stereo system starting at the top, and speakers 360 degrees around the boat, along with 360-degree bolsters around the boat. Keep you comfortable at all times of the day. There's a small head down inside the console. Also on the boat is a forward-facing sunshade, attaches to the zipper here, and 2 poles in the forward rod holders. Makes plenty of shade up here in the bow of the boat for your days at the sandbar when you're just relaxing. Everybody can be comfortable and not beating up in the sun. There's also a cover included for the console and the leaning post. And all the safety equipment. There's EPIRB, 2 fire extinguishers. Your basic safety equipment is also included. Moving forward here, we have another cooler seat in the front. Holds plenty of ice, drinks, storage / fish box in the deck. Storage on the port and starboard side with lift up seats here. You store lines, fish, any of your gear that you'd like to have in here, and that's on both sides of the boat. With removable backrests, they can be stored inside when the boat's not in use to avoid sun exposure. All the cushions are removable. They're usually stored inside the console or in the hatch when the boat's not in use. Another cooler or fish box up front, whatever you may choose to use it for. And another large storage hatch in the very front. Of course, your anchors in the forward hatch. And we have the Minn Kota Ulterra trolling motor. Everything's recently been serviced. Everything works perfectly. Just a great all-around boat. If you decide to take your family to the sandbar for the day, you want to go offshore fishing for the day, you want to go inshore fishing, this is the boat to do it in. It does a little bit of everything. Very well versed and very well rounded. And if you're looking for a boat to purchase or to be sold, I'd be more than happy. It'd be my pleasure to help and assist with that. And my name, once again, is Mike Biscoff, and my phone number is 561-222-1635.